Hello, in this video I will show you how to add subtitles in RedNote. So it's a very easy process. So firstly what you do is open the RedNote application. Then once you're inside the application, click on the plus option at the very bottom. And then right over here you have to choose your media. So this will find the media that you want to upload. Then after you've chosen your video, click on it, then click on next. Now once the media is uploaded right over here, all you have to do is click on the more option at the very bottom. Then pause the video. And over here just look for the option of subtitles. So it should be right over here at the very end. Then click on subtitles. Now wait for a few seconds as the AI is generating subtitles for the video. So it might take some time depending on the size of the video. So be patient. Now once the AI have generated the subtitles, you can see it directly on the screen as you can see. You can click on the subtitles itself. You can minimize it or move it. It's totally up to you. And you can see the subtitle in the timeline over here, which is marked as a red option, as you can see. Now, you can also edit the subtitles. So firstly, choose the subtitle in the screen directly, as you can see right over here. Then click on edit. Now, firstly, you have to go to the typeface. And over here you can choose different type of fonts that you can apply onto the subtitle, as you can see right over here. So let's say for example this one, and the font will be changed. Even this one, just simply choose any one of the fonts that you like and click on it. And over here you have to choose what type of text you want. So there are many options that you can see right over here. Just simply choose any one of them, and then you will have few more options down over here. So you can pick the color of the text. Then you can choose a stroke if you want to add one. You can also add a shadow, and alignment and space option will be available right over here as well. Then once you're satisfied with your text, all you have to do is simply click on the checkbox option right over here, and then again click on the check option. And lastly, just simply click on next. Now just simply add your title, then add your description, and after that just simply add your hashtags if you have some right over here in the hashtag section. And then in the end, just simply click on post. And just like that, you have posted your very first video. And to view it, you can go to your profile over here. As the video is currently uploading, so it will take some time. But for the time being, it will show you as draft. And once it's done uploading, it should be right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.